What's going on, everybody? It's Seth back with another video, and today I'm actually doing something a little bit different than I've done for a while, and that is getting my CG back up and running. I've kind of let this car go to waste, sitting here for probably about 8 months, not running, not so sure if the transmission's blown up in it or not, but I just graduated NASCAR Tech, so I got about 2 weeks to get it running, hopefully, and move it up to Raleigh with me. So let's get started.
Don't wanna see no tears. This is only the beginning. Losing is my only fear. Take some time away from my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say a lot of clear, yeah. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year, yeah.
As you can kind of see by the amount of stuff there and dirt all over the hood and everything, this car has sat literally right here in this exact parking spot for probably 6 to 8 months. I couldn't even honestly tell you. My dad drove it for a little bit, and then he said it started having trans issues, which we found out was maybe caused by the fact that the batteries, the terminals, literally would pop straight off. Like, this is how tight they were. So he was driving down the road and noticed that it stopped working well, and found out that the battery was literally just disconnected sitting here. So yeah, let's start off by changing the battery terminals. So that's going to be the first step to try to fixing it. You know the expression, wrong place or right place at the wrong time? This is right job, wrong tool. So let's go ahead and try to cut that with some snips or something like that. I don't really know what these are. They look like they could possibly cut it. Update, they cut right through it. Like it was absolutely nothing. So let's go ahead and do the positive side. So I've got the positive cut off, and I'll strip back, use this handy dandy utility knife here to cut it back. So now it's time to put one of the new little clamp things up there. So went ahead, got the new terminals put on right there. So I've already done it, but now you're gonna watch me blow out the engine bay. That way I can get it a little bit cleaner as it is right now. A little bit of jump start persuasion, and it's cranked right up actually. So as suspected, down in first, give it gas, nothing happens, gets low on the RPMs, and then it takes off and goes. And then it has nothing, starts rolling backwards, gets low on the RPMs, and then goes. So I don't know what's wrong with it, but it just raises in RPMs, and then once it gets high in the RPMs and drops back down, then it finally catches and goes. It's like that with like every gear, except first is the only one you can really take off in. You can do it, throw it in reverse, and it sits, give it a little gas. It's almost like it's a manual with the clutch, and you're just slipping the clutch out. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. So for the fun of it, I drained the trans fluid, and this is what the little plug looks like. It collects metal, and so that's it's the drain plug. Pretty sparkly there. Hate to see what's in the pan. Well, I didn't really film it, but I changed the tranny fluid. Actually drove pretty fine around the yard, and I drove literally 2 driveways down, and the trans completely gave out on me. It doesn't have anything anymore, so I have to wait on traffic to die down, then I guess I'm gonna push it back to the house. Not very good. Don't mind that dude in blue back down in the background there. But yeah, ended up getting the car back to the house and decided, well, since it doesn't work, might as well go ahead and start cleaning it up and getting it ready to go ahead and swap a new transmission into it. Hopefully soon in a future video, you will see the car that I might be going to go get as a donor for this car. But yeah, let's get into the cinematics and a little bit of cleaning the car up. Well, guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for sticking through, watching the whole thing if you did. And if you don't mind, click that like button and the subscribe button. As you can see, car's cleaned up, cleaned the engine bay up in it as well. Gonna go ahead and get to hunting for a donor car and hopefully look to swap it. Probably gonna put another auto back in just for the time being, just to get it back on the road. I can get the kit on it, go ahead and get it rolling, fix all the other issues, probably put a new subframe in it, and fix all the little things and get that car back to being 100%. But if you did like this video, make sure you do subscribe and like I said previously, and stay tuned for the rest of this build. Getting ready to get kicked back off. Peace out.